Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a classic and creamy tiramisu that you are going to love. Let's get started. So that day when I decided to finally film this tiramisu, nothing, absolutely nothing was on my side. First off, the sunlight was having a personal vendetta against me. It was so bright and I couldn't tame it, and it completely wrecked my video lighting. Alright, let's jump straight into the tiramisu and I'll share the rest along the way. First up, I'm mixing a spoon of coffee powder with some hot water and then we let it chill. And here comes the second disaster. The egg whites absolutely refused to leave the yolks. They were being so stubborn. I swear they had a mind of their own, and it was quite the drama. Finally, victory. Alright, now the yolks are up. I put them over the steam, add a spoonful of sugar and a touch of vanilla, and whisk like crazy until it turns into this beautiful creamy color. This is the original tiramisu recipe I'm following, so don't worry about the eggs. When you whisk them over the heat, they become completely smooth and the egg smell disappears. We whisk continuously for about 10 minutes until it turns a creamy color. Remember, don't stop. If you do, it will get too thick. Okay, here's another disaster. I just wanted to show the color of mixture in the bowl, and of course, hot water ended up spilling on my fingers. Classic kitchen chaos. Next, we add a tablespoon of the prepared coffee into our egg yolk mixture. Now we whisk everything together and set it aside to cool a little. Once it's cold, we add a mascarpone cheese and mix it in. Now we add the whipped cream and whisk it together. And here's where the fun really begins. Completely forgot to put the cream I bought in the fridge, so I wasn't chilled properly. Classic me. Now I try to pipe the cream into the bowl really neatly, ready for biscuits. But well, just look at what happened. At this point, I realized my cream had gotten so runny. It's just spilling out of the other end of the piping bag and running my work surface. I could have just spooned the cream and spread it with a spatula. Not piping bag needed. I wanted it to look a bit fancier. Try to pipe it, and well, it didn't exactly work out. But I didn't give up. I kept going, determined to make it work no matter the chaos. Place the soaked biscuit on the top of the cream carefully. It's okay if they break a little. Continue layering all the biscuits on the cream and then add another layer of the cream on top of for the next row. I put the cream in the fridge for a bit, hoping it would firm up. But I didn't give up. I went ahead and piped it into the biscuit anyway. Just look at my hands, covered in cream and total mess. But I kept going. Place the next layer of biscuits and top it with the final layer of cream. As you can see, making this tiramisu was actually quite easy, but I got so tired dealing with all the mess that I filmed the rest of the video the next day. Now it's time to take the tiramisu out of the fridge and flip it onto the serving plate like a pro. Then sprinkle some cocoa powder or coffee on top of them, make it look pretty and taste even better. With love, from my kitchen to yours. Well done, me. Let's taste it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe so you won't miss the next one, and drop a comment. Let me know what recipe you'd like to see next. turned out so delicious. Don't forget to give it a try. By the way, a few days later, I made another tiramisu, put it in a pretty box, and took it to my friend. You can also use this idea as a sweet gift for your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.